distinctive cuckoo call is famous worldwide, and in some species, only the males make this iconic sound to attract mates or establish territory. Cuckoos are known for their sneaky behavior. Many species are brood parasites, meaning they lay their eggs in other birds' nests, leaving the unsuspecting host to raise their chicks. Cuckoo eggs often hatch faster than the host bird's eggs, giving the cuckoo chick a head start. Some cuckoo chicks even push other eggs or nestlings out to get all the attention and food from their foster parents. Cuckoos have a diverse diet, feeding on insects, caterpillars, and even small animals. Cuckoos are found all over the world.